Hey, welcome to my channel and another report on the installation of this SGO4. And I think, as you can see, still no door, no tracking number, nobody knows nothing. So it really puts a crimp on things, because then it's hard to know, hard to mount the burner, run the gas line, that sort of stuff. Cannot put any of the gingerbread in really until I just am not sure of how the hinges are going to go, so I don't want to put everything on here and then have to wind up taking it off in order to put it on there. I'll know better once the door arrives, then I'll know how to sneak that in. So this is where the relief valve is going to go. Got a little clean out. Again, I'm not putting it in fully until I know what has to come out. Got the return line equalizer done. I'm using stainless steel and extra heavy in the really short nipples so that they're less likely to rust out. Got them in. Of course, the screws that are self-tapping screws to go in there didn't show up. Parts missing everywhere all the time. That's, I guess, the new normal with boilers in general and Weil Mclain in particular. There's our equalizer line piped in, as I showed on the other side there. That's where we're going to put the water feeder in with that 3/4 by half bushing. We're going to come out with a short brass nipple and a 90, and we're going to mount the VXT probably about there. There's where we're going to tie in the Harford loop. Again, I like using the stainless steel street 90 short brass nipple, and we're going to use a cutoff valve. Because I know this thing is full of sludge. Boy, do I know it. So we're going to have to do some kind of no return flush. It's going to be a little difficult because there's no drainage down here. But this is, I hope to be working on the VXT tomorrow and rework some of the gas line, do as much as we can. Hopefully the door shows up tomorrow. Goes, why? What a pain. So let me head down this way here to the end of this long main. Thank you for joining me. And I've got this copper in, just a little bit of slope here. And then I've got this transition, so it acts like a funnel to carry any water down this 1¼ inch line. That should be okay. I'm not going to claim that I'm the best solderer in the world. I'm sure many of you know about these flame pads. They really are nice. They just do a nice job of sorry about that. Thanks. I'm closing up for the day, so I got my gas shut. And we are pretty much done for today. So I'm gonna come at it tomorrow. We've got some of our smoke pipe here. Got our gas barometric. Got our, where are we? I can't find it. I got some full port male by female ball valves here, ready to go in. And I think that'll, got our low water cutoff there. We're going to use a 450. And see if we can make this work. So thanks again. And oh yes, Thank you for the suggestion to remove this, to allow inspection of this. Outstanding suggestion. Thank you. And be well and stay safe.